Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up drip or dividend reinvestment in Robinhood. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be is to make sure that you have an eligible trading account in Robinhood and make sure that you have completed your signing up and that you have your identity that is verified and everything that is working very well. Make sure that you have already finished these steps and now you will be able to set up or enable your dividend reinvestment. So simply you will need just to go to your profile and from here you will find your profile as follows. So here you will see your individual investing and some summary of your assets. You will find your ETFs, options, etc. So now all we need to do is just to click on this three bars icon and it will take you to the menu. So from the menu, you will be able to see more choices than this if you have already a complete account. So you will need just to click on the investment or the invest, and by clicking on investing, you will be able to see all the investing choices. And from there, you will find many green buttons there. And basically, you will find the section of the dividend reinvestment. And you will be able to see enable dividend reinvestment. And by enabling it, you will be able also to choose uh, the stocks that you want to reinvest their dividends, etc., or the ETF that you want to reinvest their dividend. So basically, after that, you will have already your drip that has been set up and that will be working very well. So basically, that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.